Now we will see types of protection schemes and overcurrent protection. Power system protection is a branch of electrical power engineering that deals with the protection of electrical power systems from faults through the disconnection of faulted parts from the rest of the electrical network. The objective of a protection scheme is to keep the power system stable by isolating only the components that are under fault while leaving as much of the network as possible still in operation. Thus, protection schemes must apply a very pragmatic and pessimistic approach to clearing system faults. The devices that are used to protect the power systems from faults are called protection devices. LC overcurrent protection device. Overcurrent protection is critical to personal safety and protection from number of hazards conditions that can result from material igniting due to improper overload protection or short circuit protection. Additionally, the OCPD guards against explosive ignition and flash hazards from inadequate voltage rated or improper interrupting rated overcurrent protective devices. Overcurrent protective devices or OCPDs are typically used in main service disconnects and in feeders and branch circuits of electrical systems for residential, commercial, industrial and industrial premises. So you can see the diagram. So this is the diagram. Overcurrent protection devices are meant to protect against the potentially dangerous effects of overcurrents such as an overload current or short circuit current, so which creates a fault current. Equipment damage, personal injury and even death can result so from the improper application of a device's voltage rating, current rating or interrupting rating. Something as simple as a circuit breaker can protect against this damage. But if a fuse or a circuit breaker does not have an adequate voltage rating, it can rupture or explode while attempting to stop fault currents beyond their interrupting ratings. Grounding helps to protect against inadequate overcurrent protection or OCPD failure. The two processes are designed to work together to protect equipment, property and people. Thank you.